This video represented by Educationtechera, and we are going to talk inside this video about the introduction of the mass communication journalism here. Modern mass media are often associated with mass communication, but it is important to remember that these media are processes and should not be confused with the phenomenon of the communication itself. Mass communication refers to the dissemination of the messages to large audience by the mass media, newspaper, radio, and television. Although it is essential to the success of the social movement and political engagement, mass communication serves seven fundamental purposes. The first is surveillance, also known as the watchdog position. When a mass media audience receive verifiable facts and information, correlation takes place. That's all in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.